Hola, Spanish 1. Today I'm going to go over your structures for the last group here. So this is group number 4, and this coincides with the story Cerdo. Okay? All right, so our first structure for the week is todo or toda. Okay, it can also be todos and todas. Okay, so on todo or toda, and both todos and todas can both mean all, okay, and it can also imply all of, okay. So oftentimes if we're talking about eating all of the cake, okay, then you would say el muchacho comió todo el pastel, okay, and that would imply not all cake, but all of the cake, or all the cake. Okay, so I'll say those two again: todo and toda, and todos, todas. Okay, next is the feather, or it is also known as the pen. Okay, so it's la pluma. Okay, so here the word plumage in there, which is the fancy word for feathers, okay? But also know, put your history cap on and figure out that feathers were the way that people wrote things back in the day. So, anyway, la pluma can have the meaning, the pen, the writing pen, but most likely it is going to be talking about the feather. Okay, so that's la pluma. Okay, next, she, he, or it flew, and this is going to be the completed past tense, so it is voló. Okay, so again, remember that completed action, we're going to pinpoint a time. So the bird, el pájaro, voló ayer. The bird flew yesterday, okay? So that's voló, he, she, or it flew. Okay, the moon, you probably know this word, or maybe you've heard it, or you've definitely heard a form of it. Okay, so it's la luna, and so here, lunar in there, and it simply means the moon, la luna, okay? The next one, he, she, or it barked, and this also is a completed action, past tense, so it is ladró, okay? Maybe think that it sounds loud. It actually comes from the English word. The English word is related to this, laud, okay? And to laud something is to like shout out, to praise it, or to really be vocal about something. So the Spanish word ladrar is the complete word, and our conjugated verb in the he, she, or it form is ladró, okay? And then the last one, she or he was bald. Actually, if we're going to do either he or she, then we have to be sure we're careful with the adjective here. So it is era calvo, okay, if it's a guy. And if it's a woman, it would be calva, okay? So era is the verb we're going to use this time because it's kind of more of a permanent condition or a description of somebody's appearance, and those tend to be with the verb es, okay? Or if we're going to put it in the past tense, era, we would not probably use está, okay, or estaba with calvo or calva, okay? It just was always going to be with the S or the era, the permanent is, okay? All right, so that is the group todo, toda, todos, todas, la pluma, voló, la luna, ladró, and era calvo or era calva. Adiós.